Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm making a tutorial about verifying my PayPal account. For this time, we'll use our debit card or our credit card to confirm. Once we confirm it, I know we'll be good to go. Our PayPal will be verified. So stick with me to the end of the video recording. So the very first thing you can see in our PayPal says confirm your debit credit card to complete verification process and remove the preset limits on your account. It means until I confirm the card and attach it, that is the time PayPal will be there to remove my limits. So we'll come here and find the attached cards and we'll confirm. We can see once we click the card, it has an option where it tells us to confirm the card. Confirming card means it will get $1.95 from my bank account. Then once it charges the bank account $1.95, it will refund it back immediately. That is the way PayPal is confirming that the bank that you have attached is legit, and you can be able to receive and withdraw cash. So once we come here prepaid, you can see we'll say confirm the card. Once we confirm the card, I know it will a code will be sent. A code will be sent to PayPal. So for the second Mastercard, we have already done that, and the code has been sent. We can see that it says Mastercard debit card. Give it a nickname. Give it a nickname. Enter the code to confirm your card. So I already did that, and I've received through my bank account. I've received. You'll go and generate a bank statement. Once you generate a bank statement, and you will be able to. Once you generate a bank statement, you'll be able to get the code from your bank. And for me, this is my code. Let me just input it since I've already received it. Anytime you have a challenge, most of the bank, you'll just go online, head to their Twitter DM, and you'll be able to get your bank statement. So mine, this was the code. That was the code. I'll say confirm. Once I say click confirm, the Mastercard, your Mastercard has been confirmed. So now after my Mastercard has been confirmed, everything is very okay. I'll be good to go. I'll say done. Once I say done, it means now I have confirmed the credit card, and by confirming the credit card, my PayPal is now verified. And by verifying my PayPal account, I have removed limits. I had withdrawal and sending limits that PayPal had as initially shown you. Let us go and confirm in the mother PayPal and confirm if they are still there. I'm sure they are not there. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. In case you have any issue about Payoneer, Skrill, PayPal, or in case you need to buy bitcoins via me, just come to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, subscribe. Once you're able to subscribe, then in case you need to reach me out directly, go to my YouTube channel, come to videos. Once you come to videos, you will find my newest video. In my newest video, in the description link, you will find where I have my WhatsApp number, and you'll be able to reach me out and through my official Gmail account. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. We can see now that we have already linked and confirmed the debit or credit card, and now our PayPal has no limit at all. Thank you. To confirm that this one that I have worked, I've just received an email address telling me you have successfully lifted your PayPal withdrawal limit. Account limit has been lifted. Congratulations, your withdrawal limit has now been lifted, and you can now withdraw unlimited funds from your PayPal account. That is the way to remove a limit from your PayPal account. And also stick with me to the end of the video recording. In case you have any query, reach me out. Thank you.